really fun to be a part of a movie that you've known your entire life. Like, I didn't have to, like, learn any lines. I didn't have to learn the words to the songs. I think you do films like that once in a lifetime.
I love the original. I have worshipped Nathan Lane since I was a kid. He was the original Timon. I'm friends with Nathan. He gave me his blessing to do this. I asked for it. And it's so exciting, and the fact that I was able to record with Seth and really establish our own rhythm and make the characters our own.
It was great. We got to improvise a lot, and they used a lot of our improvisation. It was really fun, and I just hope that we are able to add something, of worth to the project.
We're gonna have a whole new generation of people singing Hakuna Matata and Can You Feel the Love Tonight. It's gonna be unbelievable. And as I've been told that Beyoncé has a song that's going to be in the film, and maybe that'll be the new Lion King anthem.
I think it's really fun for people who know the old production to see where we stuck to it and where we deviated. And of course, it's always great for a new generation to see the movie in a new way because it keeps the story alive.